Hey guys, we passed the immigration already. Now we're ready to go! Yay! Imagine we're inside the country already and we have to pass through all the security checks. We're going to the island today. It's just going to be exciting. We're like around 15. Let's go! The sun is up. Time check, it's what time? 9 already? It's 9 in the morning already. And not yet? Okay. So I wait for 2 minutes then. Hey guys, it's 9.
Kamusta naman yung Uganda?
Ayos naman, mas okay. Okay naman.
Parang ganito
Ang
rin.
dami kong
Ano rin,
wala lang.
makaikot-ikot ka rin?
Mas marami ako nagawang ikot sa Uganda.